Welcome to LinguaWire English A1. Today, we have two stories, a wildfire in Belgium and a Ferrari electric car sold for a record price. Full transcripts and vocabulary lookups are at LinguaWire.com. Belgium's wildfire grows fast. Now we go to Ethan, our LinguaWire correspondent for environment.
Thanks, Daniel. The fire in Belgium is now much bigger. Officials said it more than doubled in one day.
That sounds serious. Where is the fire?
It is in Hootsvagenes. It is a nature reserve near Germany. That is Belgium's largest nature reserve.
So it is not in a city. What are firefighters doing there?
Hundreds of firefighters are trying to stop the flames. They are on their third day of work. The report says 2 villages near the fire were emptied.
So people had to leave home. Are homes in danger too?
Officials say no homes have been hit so far. But the fire is still moving. Its active front was about 1 kilometre long.
That is a long line of fire. Why is it so hard to control?
The heat is high. The land is hard to walk on. The area has wet ground, open land and forest. Firefighters also used water planes and helicopters.
So they need help from the air too. Has anyone said what started it?
Not yet. Rescue teams could not reach the place where it began, so the cause is still unknown.
That slow start is a big problem. What is the latest picture now?
The fire had reached 3,000 hectares by early Sunday. 2 parts of the fire were brought under control. But the main fire was still moving on Sunday.
So it is not over yet. And the weather is making life harder.
Yes. Local people are watching it closely.
Ferrari's electric car breaks a record. Now we go to Grace, our LinguaWire correspondent for business.
Thanks, Daniel. A new Ferrari electric car sold for a huge price. It sold for $40 million at auction.
$40 million is enormous. What car was this?
It was Ferrari's first all-electric car. Its name is the Luce.
So this was a big first for the company. Why did the sale matter so much?
The auction set a record. It was for a new car sold that way. The price was more than 35 times the usual price.
That is a huge jump. What made this car special?
The auction catalogue said it had a unique finish. It also had bespoke parts. That means parts made just for this car.
So it was not a normal car sale. Was there much reaction when it first came out?
Yes, some people were very unhappy. They said it moved away from Ferrari's usual look. They also did not like that it was battery-powered. It had 5 seats.
So the design upset some fans? Where did the money go?
The sale was for charity. Sotheby's said the money will go to Ferrari's education work.
So the car helped raise money for schools and learning. Do we know who bought it?
No, the buyer was not named. The auction house did not say.
A secret buyer, then. And this was a record sale for a new Ferrari?
Yes, and a very loud one too.
Three words from the second story. First, auction. It means a sale where people bid. In the story, the car sold at auction. Example, they bought the old bike at auction. Second, record. It means the highest result so far. In the story, the sale set a record. Example, she ran a record time in the race. Third, buyer. It means the person who pays for something. In the story, the buyer was not named. Example, the buyer took the bag home. Now a grammar point, was not named. Use this form when you do not name the person. It is good for reports and news. Example 1. The buyer was not named. Example 2. The cause was not known. Repeat after me. Was not named. Before you go, do you actually know your level and your strengths and weaknesses? Take LinguaWire's quick language assessment. Comprehension, vocabulary, grammar, and listening are each scored separately, so you know exactly what to work on. From there, LinguaWire builds you a personal 12-week plan around your level, goals, and availability. Start at linguawire.com today.